everyone, in today's video I'll be sharing the most important things that you need to keep in mind, some mistakes that you should avoid, and the complete timetable that you should follow for your board exams and also your pre-board exams. These things will really help you improve your score. Most students struggle with time management a lot, especially in 10th, 11th, 12th, because there is so much to study, so many subjects. कौन से सब्जेक्ट को कब टाइम देना है, कैसे टाइम देना है, एंड ऑल्सो मैनेजिंग स्कूल along with practicing at home, then so many tuitions and so many things are going on in your entire day, so many activities, but you need to manage your time and how to do that. So I would tell you, if you're an early riser, like if you wake up early in the morning and try to study a bit before school, like whatever they're going to teach in class, or just to revise the previous day's work, or whatever you're studying at home, try to do at least 1 to 2 subjects in the morning. Try to study for like 2 hours at least before school, and then when you go to school, try to focus in class. Focusing in class will save you a lot of time at home. Like if you do not pay attention, you'll have to come back, do the entire thing again. So it's better to utilize that time to be able to understand the chapter very nicely in class. You should have done at least one reading at home. If you've read the chapter once before the teacher teaches you, you will be able to concentrate better. Your consistency and everything will be maintained very nicely. So just do it. So once you're done with your school, try to do as much as homework as possible. That too in school. I know sounds crazy, but you should be able to do it. So once you're back at home, keep 1 hour of free time, relax, rest, move around here and there, get ready, take a shower, or just eat something, have lunch, have dinner, whatever you do, and hang out with your family and friends, do all of that. After exactly 1 hour, you should be back at your desk. See, your pre-boards are starting right now and your board exams are coming very soon. So you need to, build up that much of strength to study. I know this sounds a bit weird, but yes, it requires a lot of, willpower and a lot of energy as well to study. Get a small glass of nimbu pani or kuch le aao वैसे से sip करने के लिए. Always keep water with you, because if you are hydrated, your focus is better. I don't know, it just works. There must be some scientific reason behind it, but trust me, it works. Stay hydrated, keep drinking water, keep sipping a little bit, and then start studying. So at home, I would recommend studying for 5 to 6 hours to all students. If you're a very good student and you have completed a lot of your syllabus, then I would tell you you can study for less hours, but you can compensate it with practicing questions or practicing entire papers, like 10-year papers, so you can give that much of time. But if you're studying, like you haven't completed the entire syllabus or you're just starting, like so many students have commented that they haven't touched any chapter yet. So I would tell you, just sit down, take your laptop or take your phone, put it in front of you, start playing lectures. What was I saying? Start playing video lectures and try to complete every chapter very fast. Like try to complete the entire syllabus as fast as you can. Keep watching lectures, just finish it off, and after that take a book which is a reference book or anything. As I always say, question answer format books really help in learning, memorizing. I would tell you, take your question answer book, or even if you are using a school's book, it's fine. Whichever book you're using, just open it, try to read it once, try to see what subheadings are there, what all important points are there, and also do the back questions. The back questions are not useless. It'll really help you. So just do all those questions, complete it very nicely, and after that, once you're done and you feel a bit confident, like keep reading the chapter again and again. As I told you in the last few videos, like in this video right here, I told you that when you're reading the chapter for the first time, try to record yourself, read aloud and record yourself, and make a voice note. Then you can replay that again and again as many times as you want, and you'll be able to revise very fast. Just imagine if you read the chapter once, it took you quite some time, but like the next time when you're revising or reading it, you're just lying in your bed or just chilling, having lunch or anything. You just have that voice note playing, so it'll be like a very quick revision. You will save a lot of time. You won't have to read the entire thing again and again. So it'll really help you in, especially in chapters where you need to memorize quite a lot. For example, in history and civics, or if you're not good in bio, like I personally would not need that, but if you are struggling with it, then you can definitely try it out. It really helped me in history and civics, and also in geography, and also literature subjects, Hindi and English both. It'll really help you. Definitely do that. After that, I would tell you, in the evening, once you're done with your dinner, just before sleeping, you should study for sure. जनरली क्या होता है ना कि शाम को हम लोग इधर उधर डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं, कुछ कुछ रैंडम वीडियोस एंड ऑल देखने लगते हैं. वो ठीक है, वो सब कर लो, आराम से कर लो. कीप 2 to 3 hours you can easily keep for your fun activities, or just procrastinating, or whatever you want to do. Just do chill, relax. It's not such a big thing. You do not need to study for like 8-10 hours a day for 10th. Trust me, it's not needed. After that, like just before sleeping, try to read a bit. You'll sleep also fast. एकदम जल्दी से नींद आती है कुछ भी पढ़ते, तो वो होगा आपका टाइम शेड्यूल सब सही रहेगा. You'll wake up early, and when you're sleeping, and like whatever you have done just before sleeping will process in your head while you're sleeping. I know doesn't make that much of sense, but trust me, it works. So I also try to do it like just before sleeping. I read a little bit and then go to sleep, do the same thing again. And especially on Saturdays and Sundays, if you're free at home, try to study a little more. Or if you want to keep some time for enjoying, you can also do that. It's not a big problem, but try to finish your syllabus fast, complete it very nicely, and then start tenure papers ASAP. Now is the time to start tenure papers. बाद में टाइम नहीं मिलता है, पर पूरा सिलेबस होने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. बस बुक खोला एंड सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट कर लो. इफ़ यू डोंट नो एनी आंसर, जस्ट सी द आंसर एंड लर्न. बस लर्निंग ही तो प्रोसेस है. और टेन्योर पेपर से क्वेश्चंस उठा के आएंगे आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम में. अगर वो छोड़ दोगे, आप फ्री के मार्क्स जाने दे रहे हो. लाइक सब करके आते हैं, सब लोग को उसमें अच्छे मार्क्स मिलते हैं, एंड यू डोंट वांट टू मिस आउट, राइट? So do that, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and also check out the ICSE playlist. It will help you a lot, as it has helped so many students. This is an amazing thing that is happening over here. And also check out my WhatsApp and Telegram groups for free study material, all my notes, PDFs, every single thing, all for free. It'll really help you, and share it with your friends, because if you help them out, they'll help you.